What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, YouTube family? It's your girl, and I'm back with not really an unboxing because I'm just checking out my son-in-law's phone, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, trying to decide if this is the phone I want to go with when I upgrade. And from the looks of it, I think the verdict is in. This will be the phone I'm going with, but I think I'm going to do the color gold. He has the it's black, but the term Apple use, I believe, is graphite, but it's black to me. So the box is already open, so let's take a look. This is gonna be a quick, short video because the gang get ready to come on and my husband looking at me sideways. So let me hurry up and get this video over with. So this is the boxing, which is very sleek. And you can see that. Isn't that gorgeous? This is the side. And the iPhone on the sides. And the Apple logo on the bottom and the top. And then it has the descriptions on the back. And again, we have the 12 Pro Max in the graphite color, aka black. And he has the 256 gigabyte. So let's take a look. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Now breathe. Look at that. OMG. That is gorgeous. Look at that camera. Oh my God. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Now currently I have the iPhone, what is it, the 10? So going from that size to this size is a drastic change. It has a little weight to it. I believe the weight is 8.3 ounces and my 10 is 6.14 ounces. So that's a really big difference. I can't do a side comparison because I'm recording with my phone now, but it's a big difference, guys. So this is the packaging. Bring that back into the camera. So you get your paperwork with your Apple sticker and your other information inside there, and then you get the USB-C to lightning cable. Unfortunately, the USB-C power adapter is not included anymore. They encourage you to use what you have in your storage, or you can purchase one from the Apple store, I believe for like 19 bucks. So that's your packaging. No headphones. And yep, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So they have this covering on the phone, and when you lift it up, oh my God. Now only if this screen can stay clean like this when you're using it, that would be awesome. Look at the sides, guys. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Just gorgeous. So look like they taking it back to the old school. Now what I notice is the sides show all your fingerprints. That's what I've noticed with this. So this is how they used to make the phones back in the day look like, that boxy look, which I like. Make the phone look more sleek. So I don't know if I'm able to turn it on because like I said, this is my son-in-law's phone. Let's see if I can. No. Oh yeah, look. So there's the famous Apple logo. Let's see how it looks when we turn it on. Hello. My ring light is in it. But you haven't set it up just yet. But just to give you an idea of how clean that screen looks, this is nice. This is nice. So let me put this back in the box. It's heavy, guys. That phone heavy. And they have the little icons on the side. The power button is here. Your ringer on and off. Then your volume buttons are there. And then the power cord goes at the bottom. So that's the setup. And now, as I stated, I want to go with the gold color. And the case that I'm interested in is by iBlazon. You can look them up. I'll leave a link in the description. But I want to go with the a myth/purple color that they have with the ring on the back. That's the case I'm eyeing for whenever I do upgrade my phone. But my son-in-law purchased a protective phone case for his. So let's take a look at what he got. It looked like he just went with the clear case. So you could check out the goodness of the phone. I don't blame him. I wouldn't want to cover my phone all up either because that's just a gorgeous phone. So this is all your paperwork. So this is the case that he got. My son-in-law decided to get for his phone, which is very nice. I'm not able to put it on just yet, but you can see how that look through the case, which is clear case. Very nice, very nice. So I'll put that back there. So that's the iPhone 12 Pro Max goodness that I've decided to go with whenever I upgrade my phone, and the color I chose to go with is the gold. So yep, I like it, guys. I'm like really like loving this phone. This phone is gorgeous. Trying to think, is it more of a flat design? Yeah, it's flat more so than the round design. I don't know. What y'all think? I know it looked like one of the old school, like what was the first one they came out with? The 3? This one reminds me of that, the style of the trimming. But yeah, this picks up a lot of fingerprints, guys. So constant, you know, it's good to have a case for it. If not, you're gonna constantly be cleaning that. And if you like me, OCD with it, I'll be constantly cleaning this thing because I don't like smudges and fingerprints and stuff showing on my phone. But this is nice. So like I said, I have the iPhone 10/X. My display is 5.8. This display is 6.7. So yes, a huge difference in size. Just a little differences with the zoom. My phone currently have 2x optical zoom range. This one has 5x optical zoom range. So big difference. I have an A11 Bionic chip in my phone. This one has an A14. And then this is 8.3 ounces. And my phone is 6.14 ounces. So yes, I am really upgrading. So I'm going to look at the mini and see how I like that one too. But right now, the verdict is in for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I think I'm sold with this one. It's been a while since I've had a big phone, so I think I'm gonna enjoy the upgrade. I mean, this is really going to feel like an upgrade for me because I'm transitioning from the X to the Pro Max. So yes. So that's it, guys. Oh, and the starting price for the iPhone 12 Pro Max is starting at $10.99. And yeah, let me know what if you guys are gonna upgrade or switch over to Apple and get you one of the iPhones. Let me know in the comments what your take is on it. And of course, you know I have to show you the shirt that I'm rocking. This is one of my t-shirts from my brown sugar box. So this is the shirt that I'm rocking. Nothing, just chilling. That's all I'm doing today. Might be doing another video because I have an haul that I want to do of a purchase I made at Walmart. Something that I'm so in love with. I'll see. Maybe after the game I'll record that one. I'm getting ready for the Dolphins game, Miami. So that's it. Nothing, just chilling, guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so. Support positive vibes only over here on this channel. Please like the video. And also when you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will know when I drop more content. And with that being said, guys, peace and love.